We already know that there is far more than building a brand than simply going out and creating a brand. Our identity and branding is nothing in front of a strategy or differentiating yourself from your competitors. Differentiation strategy is an approach to develop business by providing customers with the unique, different, and distinct from other competitors may offer in the marketplace. The main objective of implementing differentiation strategy is to increase competitive advantage. A business will usually accomplish by their analyzing its strength and weakness, the needs of the customer, and even overall value can be proved. For example, being committed to ethical buying and maintaining the purity that comes from the purchasing unique handmade items. Tesla. Now we can see the differentiation strategy which Tesla uses in their products. First, the high range of electricity cars. We all know that Tesla has an high range of electricity cars, innovative battery technology, direct sales of cars by means of online platforms and company owned showrooms without involving middlemen, and upgrading their cars with unique software technologies. Buyers seek Tesla products for cut edge building technology, unique design image, and relatively hassle free buying and owning experiences. Tesla's website exhibits its cars' acceleration, their safety, and having the highest range possible. The cars also have the largest screen ever put in cars and were the first to offer autonomous driving. Buyers of Tesla cars are in turn to willing pay extra to get the add-ons the cars provide. Tesla's business model pay particular attention to rollout charging station that may be the biggest obstacle to the mass adoption of electric vehicle. Tesla has stretched the business model to encompass energy storage system for home and business. Home services. Tesla's employees, in some cases, the service is delivered remotely. The Model S can wirelessly update data so technicians can view and fix some problems without even physically touching the car. Tesla's plan to continue addition to their network of supercharging stations in USA, Europe, and Asia. Tesla's brand differentiation strategy is a long-term play with a focus on electric automobile automation, battery-friendly technologies, and environmental-friendly products such as solar roof tiles. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to suitable energy. These are the main differentiation strategy which is used by Tesla to draw their customers to buy their products.